The F4 error code is showing on the display of the mini-split air conditioner. What does this mean, and why does it occur? Today, I will explain all the details. Whenever the F4 error appears on the display, it means that the outdoor unit's condenser pipe sensor has become faulty. This could happen due to the sensor becoming open-circuited or short-circuited. If you encounter this issue, check the sensor and replace it with one of the same resistance. Now we have moved to the outdoor unit, and I will show you where the condenser pipe sensor is installed. First, turn off the electricity and open the unit's cover. Take a look. This is the PCB, and this red connector is for the condenser pipe sensor. The sensor is installed in this position. Now, I will remove it and show you how it looks. Here, this is what it looks like. Now, the F5 error is showing on the display. What does this error mean, and why does it occur? I will explain everything in detail. Whenever this error appears, it indicates that the outdoor discharge pipe coil sensor has become faulty. This could be due to the sensor becoming open-circuited or short-circuited. To fix this issue, replace the sensor with a new one of the same resistance. Once the faulty sensor is replaced, the F5 error will disappear from the display and the unit will return to working condition. However, if the error still does not clear from the display after replacing the sensor, it means that the PCB is faulty. In this case, you need to check and repair the PCB. Once the PCB is repaired, the error will be removed from the display and the unit will start functioning properly. Now, I will show you where this sensor is installed in the outdoor unit. This is the outdoor PCB, and this black connector is for the discharge pipe coil sensor. Now I will show you where the sensor is installed on the compressor. Look closely. This is the discharge pipe, and the sensor is attached to it. Now I will remove it and show you how it looks. This is what the sensor looks like. If the sensor is faulty, replace it with a new one of the same type. Once replaced, the F5 error will disappear from the display, and the unit will return to working condition. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.